Hello ladies and gentlemen, Martin here, and today we are gonna be taking the head to the machine shop to get it surfaced and putting her back on the old vehicle, trying to fix this, this good old situation with, trying to not make it milkshake. So let's go rip apart the head, pretty much take all the bolts out of it and all that nice stuff. Try to be nice to the machine shop. But yeah, let's do that. Okay, so just finished disassembling the head. Let's take her to the machine shop and yeah. Okay, so just got finished at the machine shop. Said it's gonna take a week, so I guess this is gonna be the end of the video. This guy's packed right now. Apparently everybody's doing some type of engine rebuild currently. So this is gonna be the end of the video. If you're ever in the Carrollton, Georgia area, come see the guy. He's John Puckett at 202 Kingsbridge Road, Carrollton, GA. It's Automotive Machine Shop Incorporated, cylinder head and engine repairs. He's a really nice guy. He has some wisdom. Old guy that definitely knows what he's talking about. So if you're ever in the Carrollton, Georgia area and you need something done to a motor and you don't feel like doing it, bring it to this guy. Real smart guy and real kind. So I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.